What's up YouTube, Hobo Nickel Barbecue back with you again, and today we're doing the first run with the Swartzbaugh manufacturing company Conservo, made in Toledo, Ohio, somewhere around, I believe it's 1915 to 1920. I'm going to do a video going in more detail at a later date, and I'll give you all the information on it, but basically this thing was any housewife, their dream appliance back in the early 1900s. You could mass can stuff, and you could also steam food. Alright, so I'm going to take you on a little tour. There's two racks like this, which I cleaned up. Again, I don't know when the last time this thing was used, but it's damn near 100 years old or older. Down in the water pan, which is this area down here at the very bottom, that leaks. So what I did is I put in a baking pan here. You can see the line going up here. That goes to the whistle. If the water gets low enough, it will start whistling and let you know you need to add more water. All right, we've got this warmed up. We're gonna throw in 2 Nathan's Angus all beef hot dogs. We're gonna let them run for about 10 minutes, see what they look like. All right, so we're about 20 minutes in. I decided to let them go for another 10 minutes after I checked on them. It wasn't that interesting for you guys to see. As you can see, these things are steamed up. We're gonna roll these back a little bit. Ooh, that's hot. We're gonna throw a bun in here, let that steam up. We'll cook, we'll take one off and we'll see what happens the longer the other one keeps cooking. All right, so we're about 2.5 minutes in. This bun is steamy. Grab one of the dogs, get you a look at that. We'll get this dog dressed up and we'll get this closed up. Let's run another 10 minutes and see what this other dog looks like. All right, we're going to dress this real simply. We've got sweet relish and we've got this Diana sauce. It says it's barbecue sauce. I know it's from Canada, gourmet original. I've tasted it before. It tastes more like ketchup to me than anything, but hey, I don't know what barbecue sauce from Canada is supposed to look like. This steamy guy a taste. Nathan's hot dog's good. Still got some snap in the casing. Alright, looks like this thing works. We're going to let this run another 10 minutes. We're going to see how long this other hot dog can take. Alright, so we're about 40 minutes in. What we're going to do this time is I've got a bun with cheese on it. We're going to get this dog in there, set it up, melt the cheese, see how she turns out. Okay, so about 2.5 minutes in. Ooh, that's hot. As you can see, the cheese is melted. Ooh, should have had a glove on. All right, let's see what the difference of 20 minutes makes. From a texture standpoint, it's a little bit less crisp. The snap and the casing kind of gone. But it's still a dang good hot dog. Alright, maybe next week I'll try to cook burgers on this thing or something else, kind of do an overview video. I don't know. This just boils down to, this is what I like to do, find kooky ass shit like this thing that's 100 years old, or something nobody else has. I mean, I've heard many people say, if I have to watch somebody make another rib video, I'm going to fucking slit my own throat. Alright, thanks for tuning in. See you next time.